In this video, I will tell you about managing the subscription, licenses and the A360 cloud account. So with all the AutoCAD product installation, you'll get your license and there are multiple license options that are available to an AutoCAD customer. So you can opt with a floating license, and that floating license is generally used by large corporates which require tens, hundreds or thousands of different seats for their employees, and that floating license is installed somewhere on the server and it can be accessed on multiple PCs. So that's one way of licensing. Apart from that, you can also subscribe for a single user subscription, and that subscription term can range from a monthly, quarterly or a yearly term, and it is generally extendable. So after that period of time for which your subscription has been granted, that license will automatically update. So you can get these subscription options from Autodesk or from Autodesk authorized resellers, and they are generally term based. So here in this case, I am using an Autodesk subscription based commercial license, and in order to see the details of the license, simply I'll go to this question mark icon, and here I'll select about Autodesk AutoCAD 2018. So there we have it. This is the information and the software license agreement. And apart from that, here you'll see this managed licenses. So click on it and you'll see the license detail. As you can see that I have this Autodesk commercial 2018 license. You can expand this and you'll see the device name, the serial number and all the related details in this window. Now, if you want to see the same information directly from a web browser, you can go to autodesk.com, log in with your credentials, and there you can see all the related details. And you can manage users and multiple other settings related to your account, including payments and subscription term. Apart from this, with your subscription, you'll also get Autodesk Cloud Storage, and you can see all the information related to that in this option. So when I click on this ID, I'll see this online options. So simply click on it, and there we have it, A360 related information. Here I can simply see that 101.5 MB of data has been used from the 25 gigabytes which is allocated to my cloud account. If you want to see it in detail, or if you want to see it in a browser, simply click on A360 button here, and that will open your default browser. So here it is, A360 drive is now loading. Well, I'll close one of the tabs here, and here is it. So all the details, all the files which are present in my cloud account are now listed here. So I'll simply close it, and I'll close this as well. So this was the detail related to the subscription based licensing. But if you are a student, you can definitely get a 3-year student license from Autodesk, which is completely free of charge, and it is a non-commercial license. That simply means you cannot use it for a profitable purpose, and you can use it only for learning this software. So for accessing that, you can go to autodesk.com/student, or you can simply Google AutoCAD student version, and that will give you the results, and from there you can download the student version of AutoCAD. So that was all about the subscription and licensing details of Autodesk AutoCAD.